Hello and welcome to Simply Solve's Video Resource Library. In our session today, we're going to talk about downloading and installing the LiAM application from our website to your desktop. So to begin with, let's go ahead and open up a browser and navigate to simplysolve.com. Now we like to use the Chrome browser because it's probably one of the easier ones for dragging and dropping files from your websites onto your desktop. You're free to use Firefox or Internet Explorer. It's just that your download process may be a little different. The end result is we do need to get the files and folders from our website right onto your desktop. All right, let's start with our free trial. Now, LiAM is available in a full-featured 7-day trial version to allow you to explore all the features and functionality found in software costing over $100,000 without any annual support agreements or expensive server and DBA support. To get started, follow these simple steps. Step 1, click here to download the LiAM folder and copy it to your desktop. When the download completes, go ahead and select it, select Open, and then just drag the folder right to your desktop. Step 2 is to download the LiAM user interface and then copy that to your desktop as well. So when you click here on step 2, it's going to redirect you to our Resources tab and our Latest Releases page. Here's where we keep the latest releases of our user interface. As a benefit of your license, you can visit this page at any point and upgrade your user interface to the latest version. So let's click it. When it downloads, select it, open it, drag it to your desktop. Now while we're here, there's a third file I want you to do the same for. It is our user guide along with some upload and report templates, which we will cover in other video training series. But for now, go ahead and select it. When it downloads, select it, open it, and then drag it as well to your desktop. All right, now we no longer need the website. So if you are a single user, you have no other users that are going to use the application, you can leave the LiAM folder right here on your desktop. But if you are going to share this with other users, you're going to want to put the LiAM folder into a network directory. So we've simulated that here on our desktop with the network folder. We're going to go ahead and drag the LiAM folder into our network. Okay. So now you're going to want to double click on the LiAM application itself, the LiAM user interface. And when you do, you're going to be prompted to connect your LiAM user interface to the LiAM folder. So go ahead and click here to connect. Then we're going to go find that network folder on our desktop. And we're going to go ahead and open it up and double click on the LiAM_D file. This is our backend database that will contain all of our data. Now, once the LiAM user interface connects to the backend database, you're going to be presented with an end user license agreement. Go ahead and carefully read through this. It covers the terms and conditions for you to use our software. When you've read all the way through, select I agree. Now you're going to be presented with a login option. Most users will authenticate through their network login. So it'll already present your username here in this box. If there is no username presented, you're going to have to select manual login, create a password, a question, and a recovery answer. But since most of our users are going to be connecting through a network, we're going to go back to our network mode and we're going to select create. Now LiAM will create your first user account. When that's completed, you'll be presented with the LiAM home page. Now, all of the features and functions of LiAM are covered in another video training series called General Tour. So we're going to go ahead and stop our session right here. This does complete the session on the download and installation of the LiAM program. If you need assistance or you have questions, go ahead and visit us at simplysolve.com. Also on our website, under our Resource tab, is our video training series. This series, as well as the General Tour, how to activate and upgrade your subscription, and learn how to use all the features of our tool, can be found in these brief 5 to 8 minute videos. Okay, this completes our session. Again, if you need any assistance, please contact us and we'll get back to you within 24 hours.